Hi there, students. Ubiquity. I think this is a really good word for you to try to activate. Let's see. A lot of students might know the word ubiquitous, an adjective meaning everywhere. Well, ubiquity is just the noun of this. It's an uncountable noun. It says that something exists everywhere, or apparently exists everywhere. So the ubiquity of the smartphone means almost everybody has access to the internet nowadays. Okay, ubiquity, the state of being everywhere at once. Yeah, omnipresence. Yeah, the ubiquitousness, but the ubiquity. The ubiquity of this type of car means that it's quite cheap to repair because there are lots of them about, and its ubiquity is one of the factors that makes it cheap to repair, because there are lots of spare parts and lots of people who know how to do it. So the ubiquity of something, how common it is. Okay, so the ubiquity of the English language means that if you speak English, you can travel just about anywhere in the world. Or perhaps, yes, there seem to be fast food restaurants, burger joints. Yeah, the ubiquity of fast food all over the world is a factor that is not good for people's health. The ubiquity of ideologies like this mean that people are becoming disillusioned by the ruling classes. The ubiquity of computers, the ubiquity and sophistication of computers makes some of us fear that we will be supplanted by them. Okay, so the ubiquity of this type of behavior is worrying. Okay, so the ubiquity of something, the fact that something is very common, the fact that something appears to be everywhere, the fact that something seems to be omnipresent, it's absolutely everywhere. The ubiquity of this. So the ubiquity of rats in the city is a serious problem. The ubiquity of cockroaches as well maybe is something to do with the way that we live. Maybe we should learn a lesson from this. Okay, so ubiquity is the quality of being everywhere. It's saying that something is present in lots of places at the same time. The ubiquity of Netflix means that you can see the same film in almost any language, almost anywhere in the world. Okay, so maybe that's not good, because that is decreasing diversity. Let's see, 25 years ago, working from home was very unusual, but the ubiquity of it is a good sign for the future. Or maybe, yes, trainers. A specific type of trainer comes out and becomes fashionable, and then the ubiquity of that trainer means that it's no longer fashionable because everybody's got it, and you've got to be wearing something different. Okay, so ubiquity is, you're just saying it's the fact that it's everywhere. The ubiquity of the COVID virus means that anywhere in the world you are able to contract the disease. The ubiquity of the belief in medicine. I don't know. Okay, so formality. Let's see, I would give ubiquitous a 6.5, therefore I've got to give ubiquity a 7. Yeah, you could just about use it in a semi-formal conversation. Semi-formal or formal writing would be better. I think, yeah, you use it in your exam speaking and exam writing. It's an interesting word. It's a step up from ubiquitous. And then as to origin, okay, it comes from Latin ubique, meaning ubi, where, que, each or ever. So wherever, everywhere, ubique. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Ubiquity.